Hello everyone. You can submit your mock test answers in the comment section. Question is, you have a Power BI tenant. You have reports that use financial datasets and are exported as PDF files. You need to ensure that the reports are encrypted. What should you implement? Option A, Microsoft Intune policies. Option B, row level security RLS. Option C, sensitivity levels. Option D, dataset certifications. Question is, you have a dataset that is used infrequently and refreshes every hour. You receive a notification that the refresh was disabled due to inactivity. Which two actions will cause the scheduled refresh, schedule or resume? Option A, enable query caching for the dataset. Option B, import the dataset to Microsoft Excel. Option C, from the Power BI service, open a dashboard that uses the dataset. Option D, from the Power BI service, open a report that uses the dataset. Option E, from PowerShell, run the Get Power by report CMD let. Question is, you have a PBIX file that imports several tables from an Azure SQL database. The data will be migrated to another Azure SQL database. You need to change the connections in the PBIX file. The solution must minimize administrative effort. What should you do? Option A, from Power Query Editor, create new queries. Option B, from Power Query Editor, modify the source of each query. Option C, create a PBIT file, open the file and change the data sources when prompted. Option D, modify the data source settings. Question is, in Power BI Desktop, you are creating visualizations in a report based on an imported dataset. You need to allow Power BI users to export the summarized data used to create the visualizations but prevent the users from exporting the underlying data. What should you do? Option A, from the Power BI service, configure the dataset permissions. Option B, from Power BI Desktop, configure the data load settings for the current file. Option C, from Power BI Desktop, modify the data source permissions. Option D, from Power BI Desktop, configure the report settings for the current file. Question is, you have more than 100 published datasets. 10 of the datasets were verified to meet your corporate quality standards. You need to ensure that the 10 verified datasets appear at the top of the list of published datasets whenever users search for existing datasets. What should you do? Option A, promote the datasets. Option B, certify the datasets. Option C, feature the dataset on the home page. Option D, publish the datasets in an app. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. In case of any query, please reach out to guruforcertification@gmail.com. Question is, you have a Power BI workspace named Workspace 1 that contains a dataset named DS1 and a report named RPT1. A user wants to create a report by using the data in DS1 and publish the report to another workspace. You need to provide the user with the appropriate access. The solution must minimize the number of access permissions granted to the user. What should you do? Option A, add the user as a viewer of workspace 1. Option B, grants the build permission for DS1 to the user. Option C, share RPT1 with the user. Option D, add the user as a member of workspace 1. Question is, you have 5 reports and 2 dashboards in a workspace. You need to grant all organizational users read access to 1 dashboard and 3 reports. Solution, you publish an app to the entire organization. Does this meet the goal? Options are yes or no. Question is, you have a Power BI dashboard that monitors the quality of manufacturing processes. The dashboard contains the following elements. First, a line chart that shows the number of defective products manufactured by day. Second, a KPI visual that shows the current daily percentage of defective products manufactured. You need to be notified when the daily percentage of defective products manufactured exceeds 3%. What should you create? Option A, a subscription. Option B, an alert. Option C, a smart narrative visual. Option D, a Q&A visual. Question is, you have multiple dashboards. You need to ensure that when users browse the available dashboards from powerbi.com, they can see which dashboards contains personally identifiable information PII. The solution must minimize configuration effort and impact on the dashboard design. What should you use? Option A, Microsoft Information Protection Sensitivity Labels. Option B, Tiles. Option C, Comments. Option D, Active Directory Groups. Question is, you need to create the required relationship of the executives visual. What should you do before you can create the relationship? Option A, change the data type of cells within bracket region underscore ID to whole number. Option B, change the data type of cells within bracket region underscore ID to decimal number. Option C, in the cells table, add a measure for sum within bracket cells underscore amount. Option D, change the data type of cells within bracket cells underscore ID to text. Our set 4 of Microsoft PL-300 will be released soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss the update. Stay tuned and keep learning with us. In case of any query, please reach out to guruforcertification@gmail.com. Thank you.